In the race of MCC and few of the state counseling like Karnataka, UP, Maharashtra, most of the time student overlook few of the states where the number of colleges are less. Give an example like Himachal Pradesh, only one private college is there. Haryana State Counseling, only 5 colleges is there, and Pondicherry State Counseling, only 3 colleges are there. Since the student who participate in this state counseling, Pondicherry State Counseling or Haryana State Counseling, Himachal Pradesh State Counseling, their number is very less. That is the reason those who participate here, they get an advantage. Even though their percentile is less also, but they get better branch or they get branch in a comparatively lesser fees. In Pondicherry, there are 3 private colleges are there, and Pondicherry State Counseling Authority CENTAC recently they have published the round 3 allotment list. In today's video, I will give you the complete allotment of Pondicherry round 3 counseling. Students, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So whenever we will be giving any video, immediately you will be getting the notification. Pondicherry State Counseling CENTAC has published round 3 allotment list. In this round 3 allotment list, most significant cutoff is in the management quota cutoff. The student who participate in MCC counseling and KA counseling, UP counseling, those who ignore this Pondicherry State Counseling, it is a good lesson for them. And those who are participating in 2025 counseling, 2025 NEET, this is also a very important information for them. In Pondicherry State Counseling, 3 private colleges are there. One is PIMS, Pondicherry Institute of Medical Science, another is Manekola Vinayaka Institute of Medical Science, another is Venkateshwara Institute of Medical Science. All these 3 private colleges, they have the management quota seat where all over India students can participate. The private colleges seats are bifurcated under government quota, management quota. Some of the colleges, they have seats for the Christian minority, they have seat for the Telugu minority. So in PIMS, in round 3, there is no seat for radiology. Radiology seat is there only Manekola Vinayaka Medical College. Their cutoff goes in round 3, 22,183. This is the cutoff. Same like in dermatology also. In Manekola Vinayaka only round 3 dermatology seat was available. So that is the reason in management quota cutoff is 23,093. Student, this all cutoffs are from the for the management quota where all over India student participated. General medicine cutoff is most significant. In PIMS, it is 27,769, Manekola Vinayaka 37,674, and Venkateshwara cutoff is 63,643. This is the cutoff for general medicine in Venkateshwara, where fee structure is 39 lakhs per annum. In this rank or nearby this rank, the student who got allotted under MCC counseling, definitely their fee structure is more than 50 lakhs. So here the student has got 39 lakhs per annum. So that is the reason I told this all the states, the student who has participated, they got an advantage. Pediatrics, same you will see in the pediatrics also. Manekola, their cutoff is 43,674 and Venkateshwara, their cutoff rank is 70,726. In the same rank, the student who got in MCC, their fees is 50 to 60 lakhs per annum. In this context, I will tell you, PIMS and Manekola, these 2 colleges fee structure for all clinical branches approximately 24 lakhs per annum. Whereas in Venkateshwara fee structure is little high. Some of the clinical branch it is 39 lakhs per annum, and few of the clinical branch, lower clinical branch like Ophtha, ENT, Psychiatry, Anesthesia, their fee is 33 lakhs per annum. So in pediatrics cutoff in Venkateshwara 70,726, fee structure is 39 lakhs per annum. OBG also in Manekola Vinayaka cutoff is 44,671. Where fee structure 24 lakhs only, and Venkateshwara 2,657, fee structure 39 lakhs per annum. Orthopedics, this seat is available in PIMS. Orthopedics cutoff 41,090, this is the cutoff of orthopedics. Manekola 67,566, this is the cutoff of Manekola Vinayaka for orthopedics. Whereas in Venkateshwara cutoff, you see that is 99,969, where the fee is 39 lakhs per annum. In the under MCC, the student who got orthopedics in this rank, definitely their fee is more than 50 lakhs or nearby 50 lakhs in that range. General surgery cutoff in PIMS 56,164, and Manakala Vinaka 80,968, where fee is only 24 lakhs. So this is an advantage in terms of the fees. This is an advantage in terms of the fees and branch both. This is an advantage in terms of the fees. What I told you in the beginning, the student who joined in this kind of untapped states, they got this advantage. So here in general surgery, you see 1,07,442 is the cutoff, where fee is 39 lakhs per annum. In the same rank, the student who got allotted in MCC counseling in Balaji Medical College, Lakshmi Narayan Medical College, Satyasai Medical College, all the colleges fee structure is approximately 45 to 50 lakhs in that range. Next is respiratory medicine. In respiratory medicine, only Manakala Vinaka seat is available. It is 49,976. That is, fee is here 24 lakhs per annum. Ophthalmology 58,777 is the cutoff, and Manakala Vinaka 79,688 is the cutoff. Whereas in Venkateshwara cutoff in ophthalmology, that is 98,777, fee structure is only 33 lakhs per annum. In this rank, the student has not got ophthalmology in round 1, round 2 and round 3 counseling in MCC. Psychiatry 88,709 is the psychiatry cutoff. Manakola Vinaka cutoff is 1,11,007 is the Manakola Vinaka cutoff. See, in this rank, even also in this rank also, student has not got psychiatry under MCC counseling. Okay. ENT cutoff 62,467 in PIMS, and ENT cutoff in Manakala Vinaga 98,437. It's a very good allotment, and it's a good advantage for the student who got this seat. Only 24 lakhs per annum is the fee structure. Same in Venkateshwara also, 1,03,553 is the cutoff rank. Fee is only 33 lakhs per annum. Anesthesia 62,144 is the anesthesia cutoff in PIMS. Manakala Vinayaka cutoff in anesthesia 91,393, and Sri Venkateshwara college cutoff is 1,12,643. Fee structure is 33 lakhs per annum for anesthesia. And last is pathology. I gave you information in pathology also. 1,08,671 is the pathology cutoff for PIMS. 1,27,409 is the pathology cutoff for Munakala Vinaka, and for Venkateshwara pathology cutoff is 1,38,589. It is a pathology cutoff rank is very low. 1,38,000 rank also the student has got pathology, where the cutoff where the fee is only 13 lakhs per annum. If you see in MCC, the pathology cutoff also goes very high. So the student who got pathology here, that is also an advantage for him. Student, this all are the cutoff of Centec Pondicherry round 3 counseling. If you get an idea from this video, which all states you have to participate in terms of your rank, then you have to make the strategy accordingly. The student who are appearing NEET 2025, this is a very important lesson for them. Again, I am telling. Student, if you feel this all video session is important for you, you can like my video, you can share my video with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and give your valuable comment on the comment sections of the video. Thank you so much.